how to add a card to Binance. So if you want to add your credit card to pay or buy crypto on Binance, here's how to do it. First, you want to click on the three horizontal lines on the top left. Now, once you're on your profile, you want to click on the settings icon on the top right. And when this page opens up in the settings, you should scroll down till you see the payment category, and under it, click on payment methods. Now you want to click on cash payment methods at the bottom. And in here, you should see all the cards that you've added to your account. And if you can't see the add card button here, here's a second way to do it. First, you want to go back to the home page and then click on the add funds button. And then click on buy with your local currency. Now you should see at the bottom the payment method. You can click on it. And in here, if you have an existing one, you can click on the change button or just click on add new one, and then it should bring up this window. Then you will need to click on add new card, and in here you should be able to enter your name on the card and the card details along with the billing address, and then just press the confirm button, and this should verify and link your card to Binance. Next, you can select it here and then just use it to buy crypto on Binance. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.